Hello guys, and welcome to another episode of my do-it-yourself restoration project of my 75 BMW 1502. So stay tuned to see more. Basically today we remove the fender flares and the hood so we can access a bit more of the rust situation going on underneath, and a little bit of the interior, as we have removed the seats and the carpets and everything. So we're gonna do a little bit of a cleaning up and of the whole sound deadening, and prepare for some welding today. And let's hope that till the end of the week we can do some welding. Inner sides of the flares back and the rear, so we can cut off that rusted steel and weld in some new sheet metal in the same thickness, of course. And yeah, let's move on to the next part. So the next part is going to be the floor of the driver's side. The previous owner has done some cutting and, let's say, TIG welding here, but it's nothing complete, so we have to do this all from the beginning again. And of course the sheet metal from the pedals, and of course the whole floor that they have put in. And yeah, so just cleaning up this here and getting ready for the next side. So basically this section is going to be cut out. That's why I only cleaned this part here first for now. And we are going to replace this whole part, as we have the whole sheet metal as a new part. Original parts from BMW, so it can be 100% fit. So now let's go over to the passenger side and clean up the other rusty hole, and do the same thing over there. So now that these two sides are done, we are going to move on to the passenger foot side, which is a bit of a mess, but I'll clean up the whole insulation, the sound deadening, and let's see what's gonna come out. So it's already the next day, and I pushed the car out so I can clean up all the inner side of the fenders in front, make the rust and the holes visible so we can weld them up, as well as some new parts. on the lower part. So yes, that's what we are going to do today. What I forgot to mention is that for the lower parts, like under the, let's say under the car, I'm going to put the car on the hoist and work everything from underneath, because it's simply better to work with the cars on the hoist. So now I'm going to do everything that I can do outside to prevent the dust and everything, all the dirt being in the shop, and yeah, that's what I'm going to do. The other side is a bit cleaner, as I will show you right here. So it's not that big of a deal on this side, as the previous owner already has done a lot of work here. Sorry about that. Just some little bits and pieces I want to, you know, yeah, correct here and there. And other than that, this side looks pretty neat. I'm gonna do a bit of cleaning up here and doing some proper welding over there. Some other holes that I saw, and then we're gonna continue with the part of the pedals on the driver's side. As you see, they're missing, so yeah, doing some prep work there. So in this case, what I'm gonna do is, or what I'm doing right now, is basically cleaning up all the rust of the hard to get to bits, because I want to do the preparation now in this week, because this is not my permanent work. I work somewhere else, and basically I have the whole afternoons from 6 p.m. basically up until 9 or 10 p.m. Always to do some work on the 1502. And yeah, so I'm doing the prep right now, so I can, let's say, spend a full week on just cutting and welding in the pieces that I have cleaned up basically in this week. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna head up and clean all the rusty spots. Let's say I'll spray them with a zinc spray, and next week when I'm ready, I can simply, you know, have a structure and start piece by piece from the front to the back and do the whole weldings, or I'm gonna just take it in, and there's a specialist that is going to come and weld these pieces in, as I don't have pretty much experience on that, although I'm going to do some welding trainings, of course, on the channel, which you will be able to see in one of the episodes. And yeah, other than that, stay tuned, subscribe to the channel if you like this content. If you want to see more or some different things, just hit me a comment and let me know, and I will get into that. I'd like to hear your opinion if you are a mechanic, or you know your stuff around BMW 1502s or in general cars, then I'm open to every single suggestion I can get. So yeah,